If you're over 40 and still popping Advil for muscle soreness, you're making a massive mistake that's actually slowing your recovery and killing your muscle gains. And look, I get it. You crushed a workout and it felt great, and then 48 hours later, you're walking like you got hit by a truck. Your spouse is laughing at you, struggling to get off the toilet. I've been there. But here's what most fit fathers and fit mothers don't realize. Muscle soreness isn't about age, it's about biology, and there are 5 specific supplements that can cut your recovery time in half. These are actually legit and not a waste of your time and your money. I was talking to one of my clients last week, a successful executive, 52 years old, makes great money, takes care of his family, focuses on his fitness, but he told me something that kind of broke my heart. He says, "Doc, I want to stay in shape, but every time I work out hard over the weekends, I'm useless for 3 days. I can barely play with my kids, my back's killing me at work, my legs are shot. I'm starting to think that I'm just too old for this exercise stuff." And that's when I realized this isn't about age. This is about actually understanding what's happening inside your body in your 40s, your 50s, and your 60s, and getting some added support from the proper tools, in this case, supplements, to address the core issues and changes that happen inside your body. Imagine your muscles are a construction site, and after exercise and the work is done, there's debris everywhere. That's in the form of lactic acid, inflammatory compounds, cellular waste. Your body is trying to clean up the mess while simultaneously laying down new protein structures to build a stronger muscle. And most people just wait it out, thinking that excessive soreness is inevitable, but that perspective is dead wrong, because there are so many ways you can accelerate the muscle recovery through ingesting natural compounds that modulate inflammation and enhance circulation. I'm Dr. Anthony Balduzzi from the Fit Father and Fit Mother Projects. As you probably heard, I've helped over 60,000 parents over age 40 transform their bodies, and what I'm about to share today is the exact recovery protocol that separates our most successful clients from people who quit after a few weeks because they're so damn sore. Today, we're zoning in on 5 natural supplements that legitimately help recovery based in research. This isn't bro science from some 20-year-old influencer. This is research-backed, clinically proven advice, and works specifically for busy parents over 40. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to take, when to take it, why it works, and hopefully you'll be inspired to try a few of these supplements. Plus, I'm going to give you the exact dosing protocol that helps thousands of my Fit Fathers and Fit Mother clients get back in the gym without feeling like they need to go back in a wheelchair. Supplement number 1, turmeric. Specifically the active compound inside turmeric called curcumin. And I know you've probably seen that turmeric latte that people have on Instagram and thought, yeah, that's not for me. But here's the truth. Curcumin is one of the best research-backed recovery tools that we know of to improve recovery and reduce that delayed onset muscle soreness and speed up how fast your muscles recover so you can train again. Remember that construction site analogy? Curcumin is like bringing in a very smart foreman who keeps inflammation from turning into a 3-day dumpster fire. You get the adaptive training signal that you want to get your muscles to grow, but you don't get stuck limping around like a baby giraffe for 48 hours later. And the research here is very legit. We've got meta-analyses showing that curcumin can reduce muscle soreness and the markers of muscle damage like creatine kinase after a hard workout. And newer human trials using the highly bioavailable turmeric formulas show faster recovery, better restoration of muscle function after these big workouts, meaning you're making more gains. Now, the big consideration with turmeric is absorption. Turmeric powder in food is awesome. It tastes good. I do recommend you cook with it. You can add ghee, which is clarified butter, and also some ginger and some black pepper. That can help you absorb it. But plain curcumin is notoriously hard for the body to absorb. So if you want a real recovery effect from curcumin, you want a bioavailable curcumin supplement. And in terms of dosing, a simple and effective target is around 1,000 milligrams per day of the curcuminoids. You can take it with food, ideally with a meal with some fat to help the absorption, and just take it daily. And if you're really sore after a brutal workout, that's a great time to add an additional dose for more benefit. And yes, this is a supplement that we stock on our Fit Father and Fit Mother stores because it's one of those rare ones that actually moves the needle for recovery, and it also has benefits to cognitive function, cardiovascular health, and even supports in certain kinds of cancers. This is a really good supplement. Supplement number 2, L-Carnitine L-Tartrate. Now, 90% of people have never heard of this, but it's about to become your secret weapon. L-Carnitine is an amino acid that's naturally found in red meat, but the L-Tartrate form is specifically designed to help exercise recovery. Here's what it does. Remember that construction debris I mentioned? L-Carnitine L-Tartrate is like having a specialized hazmat cleanup crew. It helps your body clear out lactic acid, clear out ammonia, and other exercise byproducts that can irritate the tissues and cause soreness. But here's where it gets really interesting, and this is backed by solid research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. L-Carnitine L-Tartrate doesn't just reduce soreness, it actually reduces the amount of muscle damage that occurs during exercise. But you still get the adaptive response. Because many of you might be thinking, don't I want some muscle damage? Isn't that the stimulus that I grow? Great question. Yes, you want some damage, but just enough to stimulate the signal for muscle protein synthesis. You don't want excessive damage that keeps you out of the gym for days. Think of it like this. You want to renovate the house, not demolish it completely. So L-Carnitine L-Tartrate helps ensure that you get the renovation work without the demolition. And studies showed that guys taking L-Carnitine L-Tartrate had significantly less muscle soreness at 24 and 48 hours post-workout. They also showed better oxygen uptake in the muscle tissue, which means faster recovery. Oxygen and circulation is the basis of recovery, as we're going to talk about in just a little bit. In terms of the dose, 2 to 3 grams post-workout is all you need. It comes in a powder or in capsules. You can throw it in your protein shake, have it with a piece of fruit. It's really, really helpful. Now, fair warning, this isn't the cheapest supplement on the market, but when you calculate the cost of being sidelined for days after every workout and wanting to train but not being able to do it, this kind of pays for itself, especially if you're training very hard. Now, supplement number 3, creatine monohydrate. And before you roll your eyes and think, isn't that just for young guys trying to get jacked? Hear me out. Creatine is far more important for you as you age, not less. Here's why, and this may blow your mind. Your muscles store creatine phosphate. It's one of the main ways they produce energy for strength workouts. This is like having a backup battery for high intensity exercise. When you lift weights, when you sprint, when you do anything explosive, your muscles use the creatine system first. But here's what happens after 40. Your natural creatine stores, they start declining. It's like your muscle batteries start losing its charge. So when you train hard, you're running on empty faster. Yet when you supplement with creatine, you're loading up these stores. You're improving that fast twitch explosive battery, which means more performance. Your muscles become more resilient. You can actually lift more weight when you train, which can give you a better effect. And the research on creatine's effectiveness is super strong. A study in the International Journal of Sports Nutrition found that creatine supplementation significantly reduced muscle damage markers and inflammation after intense exercise. But here's the part that really matters for guys as we age. Creatine helps your muscles recover faster between sets and between workouts. So you know that feeling where you have a third set of squats and your legs feel like jelly? Well, creatine actually helps prevent that and gives you more stamina during your workouts. Plus, and this is huge, creatine has been proven to support cognitive function because your brain uses creatine too, especially when you're under stress or sleep deprived, so you're getting physical and mental benefits. Now, let me address the elephant in the room, water retention. Yes, creatine does pull some water into your muscles. That's not bloating, that's not fat, that is just intracellular hydration that makes you look fuller and maybe a little bit of weight gain, but that's actually a good thing. Now the dose, 5 grams daily. The timing doesn't really matter. I take mine in the morning with my cacao drink. Some guys prefer it post-workout with the protein. Just be consistent with it. And if you have a day where you're feeling a little stressed, you can just add an extra scoop. And stick with plain creatine monohydrate. Don't get fancy with all the buffered and ethyl ester forms. A lot of that is marketing nonsense. Monohydrate is the gold standard. It's the most researched and also the cheapest. Supplement number 4, high quality omega-3 fish oil. Now you might think this is just for heart health, but this is secretly one of the most powerful recovery supplements that you can take. And here's what most guys don't understand about inflammation. Exercise creates inflammation. That's normal and necessary. It's part of the signal that tells your body to adapt and grow stronger. But often we're eating inflammatory diets with excess amounts of omega-6s, so we need to balance these with the omega-3s. Here's the problem though. As we age, our inflammatory response can get a little whacked out. Instead of this quick, controlled inflammation response that we want that has a rapid resolution, we often get prolonged, excessive inflammation. Like imagine a smoke alarm that goes off and then won't shut off. The initial alarm is good, it alerts to the fire department, hey, there's something to do here. When it keeps blaring for hours and hours and hours, it becomes a problem in itself. Omega-3s are like having a smart thermostat for your cells and inflammation. They don't just shut it off completely, they regulate it. So you get the growth benefits without the prolonged soreness as it relates to your exercise recovery. The research on this is very compelling. A study in the Clinical Journal of Sports Medicine found that people taking omega-3 supplements had significantly less muscle soreness 48 hours after eccentric exercise. That's when most people are at their absolute worst in terms of soreness. But here's what really sold me on omega-3s for recovery. They protect your motor neurons. These are the nerves that control your muscle fibers and get them to fire and activate. When your motor neurons are protected, you maintain better strength and better range of motion even when you're sore. Think about it. How many times have you been sore and also felt weak and stiff? That's partly because of the inflammatory response affecting your cells, but it's also your nervous system. Omega-3s help your nervous system too. Now, not all fish oil is created equal. You want to look for a product that's third-party tested for purity, low in mercury, high in both EPA and DHA. Both of these are very, very important. There are great brands like Nordic Naturals, Carlson's, or the brands that we carry on our Fit Father and Fit Mother store. The ideal dose is 2 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA on the day after you've trained. So when you train, try to get 2 to 3 grams of EPA, DHA combined in the following 24 hours. And omega-3 supplements are not necessary if you're actually eating cold water fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel around 3 times per week. So if you simply have some of these foods after you train, you're gonna get around that 2 to 3 gram dose. Like a tin of sardines has around that amount. So train, then get an omega-3 bolus. Really, really helpful for your recovery. Let's move on to the last supplement. All right, so the last supplement on this list is Tart Cherry. It might sound like one of your grandma's old school remedies, but it's actually backed by legit sports nutrition, and it has a lot of unique benefits than the other things we've discussed so far. And no, I'm not talking about cherry flavored candy or sodas. I'm talking about Tart Cherry Juice or Tart Cherry Concentrate, which is loaded with anthocyanins and the polyphenols, the compounds found in colored fruits like blueberries and cherries that help calm down inflammation and reduce the oxidative stress that keeps your cells very healthy after hard training. Tart Cherry has multiple studies and meta-analyses showing it can help you recover muscle function faster after your workouts, meaning you can train more frequently. And many people report noticeably less soreness. Another underrated benefit is that Tart Cherry actually contains melatonin-like compounds. So for some people, it can also improve sleep quality, and better sleep equals better recovery, so that is a sneaky win here. And the dose is super simple. You got 3 easy options. 1, drink Tart Cherry Juice, around 8 to 16 ounces per day. Or 2, take Tart Cherry Concentrate, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, which is around 30 milliliters, once after training. Or 3, buy some capsules or extracts and just follow the label. Just make sure it's a legit, standardized Tart Cherry extract. Now for best timing, use it like a recovery stack around your hardest training. If you're ever doing a big physical event like a race or an extended hike or a really big hard week of training, you actually want to start taking Tart Cherry 3 to 5 days before a brutal session or a heavy week, and then keep it going for 2 to 3 days afterwards. A lot of people who run marathons or do big bike races, they often load Tart Cherry around that period because it really gives recovery benefits around heavy training blocks. As a quick heads up, juice itself can have some extra sugar and calories, so if you're cutting weight, go with the concentrate or with the capsules. You get the same benefits and it's easier to fit in your macros. So in summary, here's how you stack these supplements for maximum effect. Turmeric, take 1,000 milligrams daily. It's best in supplement form with those bioavailable curcuminoids. We have a great product on fitfather.com and fitmother.com, or get one that has BioPerine in it as well. L-Carnitine L-Tartrate. Take this post-workout, 2 to 3 grams, ideally with some carbs. I mix it with my protein shake and add a little bit of piece of fruit, which can also enhance absorption. This is a powerful supplement for recovery. Creatine Monohydrate. This one's flexible. I take mine first thing in the morning with my cacao drink because it's part of my routine. You can take it anytime, around 3 to 5 grams. Take more on days you're stressed or you just feel like it. Fish oil omega-3s. Take this with your largest meal and make sure to prioritize this in the 24 hours after training. The omega-3s are amazing from inflammatory benefits. You want to either get a high quality fish oil supplement that has that 2 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA, or just eat some cold water fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, and you don't necessarily need a supplement. Tart Cherry extract, take this either in capsules or as a drink and use it around those heavy training blocks, leading into the block and afterwards. I personally only use Tart Cherry in the most intense training weeks because it's good for recovery, and I use it during a race or an outdoor hiking adventure. Follow the instructions on the bottle and the supplement that you have. And here's a practical tip. Start with just one supplement for a week and see how your body feels, and then add in the next one, and then maybe a third. This way you can be scientific and actually feel the difference that each one makes, and not just stack on more supplements, because the answer is not taking more supplements. You're probably already taking a multivitamin, maybe some vitamin D, maybe even the fish oil already. You want to be taking the right supplements that actually move the needle for your recovery, not just to take more stuff for the sake of taking more stuff. And let's talk cost for a second. A month's supply of all these supplements will cost you around the same as about 2 dinners out. But the return on investment, being able to train more consistently, feel energetic, be present with your family instead of hobbling around like you're 80 years old after a workout, for me, that's priceless. And there's so many other health benefits outside of the soreness to every one of these products. So to wrap up, I want to give you one more bonus tip that will amplify the effects of these supplements too. The day after a hard workout, do some light movement. I'm talking about a 10 to 15 minute walk, maybe riding your bike, maybe some light cardio on the elliptical. Remember, for your body and your muscles, motion is lotion for your muscles and your joints. You actually want to get the blood flowing to those muscles to deliver these compounds, to remove that metabolic waste and deliver these key nutrients. The supplements are going to do their job, and they'll do an even better job when you amplify that blood flow post-training. So don't just sit on the couch feeling sorry for yourself. Get moving, even for a little bit. That can really speed up your recovery. All right, so if this video helped you understand why you've been struggling with recovery, please smash the like button. Let me know this was super helpful for you. Drop your comments below if you've tried any of these or you're inspired to try some, because we can train long, strong, and healthy into old age. We just need the right strategies, and that's exactly what I teach here on the Fit Father and Fit Mother YouTube channel. This is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi signing off. Please subscribe to this channel if you want more no BS health and fitness content specifically designed for busy parents over 40. I post new videos every single week, and I promise you, you'll never leave with generic advice designed for 20-year-olds. All this stuff is for busy parents who want to live long, strong, and healthy. And please drop a comment below. Let me know which one of these supplements you're excited to try, or if you're already using any of them, what results have you seen? Also visit fitfather.com and fitmother.com to learn more about our online programs and our in-person events. We have a retreat coming up in Sedona, Arizona, and an amazing 3-day health conference called Fit Father, Fit Mother Live happening this August. All the details are on our websites and also in the description below. This is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi signing off. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you around the channel. I'll talk to you very soon. Have happy recovery with these great supplements, and I'll see you very soon, my friend.